Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited. We're going to be doing an unboxing of our Rode VideoMic Pro, and it comes with the boom stand. So got a nice little stand to set it up. And the Rode Mic Pro. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So right now I do have the Rode VideoMic Go, the little $99 one. I got it in the video creator kit from Best Buy when I got my T6i. That is what I'm currently filming on right now. But this microphone, I've been having problems with it since I got it. Literally, it's hisses, staticky, crackling, and I can't take it anymore. It's driving me nuts. So I never really was like, oh, I'm gonna upgrade because I had one. But then, like, editing the videos, I'm like, I don't know how to do audio. So I just know the basics, you know what I mean, like how to set it up on the camera and stuff like that. But I don't know how to adjust it, like the dry. I seen on my editor, dry, wet, tone, pitch. I don't know that yet. Like, I'm learning. I've been learning a lot, but I don't know that stuff. So I have no idea what I'm doing. So I tried doing noise reduction. Like, I just did a video literally like 2.5, 3 weeks ago now, and I tried editing. I was editing for like 4 days. I lost some work. I had to start over, but the sound was just awful. The audio was terrible. By the way, don't mind my nails. This is what I'm down to, okay? I cut them down because one broke, but these things are really thick. They're not coming off. Yeah, they're really thick. They're not coming off. So again, I apologize, and I hope you guys are doing all right in this world. This world is crazy right now. It's really scary, and I'm just trying to keep sane, honestly. And no school, no work. It's really stressful right now. So I'm just trying to, you know, keep busy, and I'm going to be making videos now that I got my mic, and I also got another tripod coming, because right now I'm filming on a tripod like this big, literally, because my other one, the little faceplate, whatever you want to call it, it broke. So I can't put my camera on it because it like falls down. I even tried it again, still not working. So I've been having some technical difficulties. I just got my laptop, so I'm getting there. Like, but now I'm definitely can film videos because I got my new mic, and the audio should be nice and crisp and very much appreciated. Hopefully it's clear and it's good and you guys can hear me well. So yeah, basically, like I said, this is gonna be an unboxing of this boom stand and the Rode VideoMic Pro. I wanted the Plus, but I'm like, you know what? There's no point, because honestly, like I said, I don't know how to do audio like that, and they basically said they're the same. Obviously, the Pro has more. The Pro Plus has more settings, but I didn't feel it was necessary to get that one, and obviously it's a lot more money. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna try this, and if I like it, you know, maybe I'll upgrade to that one or something else. I don't know. I see mics for like $999, and I'm sure that's probably way more expensive. Like, that's just crazy. I have 2 kids. Girl, I'm on a budget. Like, no. It's not happening. No. So basically, for this video, we are going to do it voiceover style after this. I don't want to put this down because I feel like it's going to fall. So I am going to switch over into a little different setting. Now, don't mind my background because this is what I'm working with. I'm in the hotel, as you guys know. So this is what I'm working with, this small little space, and it's not working out that great, but hey, I'm dealing with it. So I'm gonna set this stand up, put the mic on it, show you guys what it looks like, and I'll also do an audio testing at the end of the video so you guys can see what it sounds like on the boom stand. And maybe I'll do it on the camera as well. I can do camera and a boom stand, but I don't know how to edit like that well. So I'll just, at the end, I'll add in a clip of it on the boom stand so you guys can hear that one. And then maybe one on the camera, we'll see. But without further ado, oh, by the way, if you guys want to know what I'm wearing on my face, I'll let you guys know, because this video is not about makeup. It's about my gear and my equipment for my makeup videos that I create. And I'm gonna learn how to do the ones on Instagram, so stay tuned to check out on that. I don't know how to work Instagram like that. Yes, I know. Snapchat's more my thing, but I'm getting into Instagram, okay? And I want to do those videos. So I am wearing the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette on my eyes with the P. Louise base, the Rumor 2, and Rumor 0, the white one, and just regular face. But I just want to let you guys know this creation. And I did a wing, you know. I can't really do a wing. I can't even front. I'm not good at doing wings. But my husband's always like, oh, just try, babe. Just try. And I get frustrated. I'm like, oh, babe, if I mess up, I have to wipe my whole eye off and start all over. No. And I like the way the look came out today. It was really good. Yeah, you guys don't mind this. I gotta go to the doctor, but I can't go to the doctor because, you know, this whole crazy world. And it was like little bubble, and like I popped it, and it's just like, yeah. So I gotta go to the doctor for that. And I'm not going right now because the situation going on in the world. So yeah, I'm babbling. I'm going on and on and on. So without further ado, we're gonna go set this up, and I'll be right back so you guys can see how we put this bad boy together and see how it works. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Alright, so I'm back, and right now you are hearing us on the Rode Video Mic Go. It is, right now it's on, I think it was on sale for $89. It's usually $99, but I'll link it in the description box below. You can get it on Amazon. This is how it sounds. So I was having problems with it before. I've been messing with the sound, the audio settings. Hopefully I got it to work and it doesn't sound bad. Fingers crossed, because the last video was bad. So right now I do have the Rode Pro right here above me. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and I'm going to insert a clip what the Rode Video Mic Go looks like. I just did a little clip on my phone. I'm going to insert it and show you guys what it looks like. The Video Mic Go is on my camera right now. I'm going to switch it, try and switch it onto here, see if I can with the shoe, if it will fit. If not, but this is how it sounds on the camera, and I'm going to do the Pro on the camera and on the boom as well. So, again, we're going to do another quick test of this one. So this is the Video Mic Go. This is the audio for the Video Mic Go. I don't think it's too crispy, but hey, you guys let me know in the comments below what you think. Again, Video Mic Go. Alright, so now we officially have our Rode mic right here above us. Right here. And this is our audio with the Rode Mic Go. Again, that's the one for $99, the Rode Mic Go. This is the audio of that with it on the boom stand. So let me know if you notice a difference down in the comments below. I am not happy with this mic, so that's why I got the Rode Video Mic Pro. And I'm dying to see how it sounds. I can't wait to edit this video so I can see how it sounds. Alright, so now I'm going to do a clip with the Video Mic Pro on my camera and on the boom as well. So the next clip is going to be with it on the camera. Be right back. So this clip is with the Pro attached to my camera. I'm going to insert a little clip on the screen somewhere. And let me know what you guys think of this audio. This is the new mic. I'm so excited to hear this when I edit it. But the first time, you know, work with me. If it's a little loud or whatever, I'm going to adjust it. But I just want to make sure this isn't hissing, crackling, and all that other stuff that I was doing in my other videos with the other mics. So next clip, we are going to put it on the boom head, and let's see how that sounds. Now on this clip, we have our boom head. We have our Pro on our boom head. So this is what it sounds on our boom head. I adjusted the settings on the audio a little bit. Sometimes my voice carries and it goes up and down, and I'm working on my voice control. But I hope this sounds nice, clear, and crisp as much as possible, because this is my new mic and I will be using it on the boom head because I do makeup videos, and yeah, basically all makeup videos. Gonna be doing some skincare, hopefully some vlogging, but we got a lot in store for the future of this channel. But this is, again, this is the audio of a clip on the boom head stand with the Pro. So again, the Pro on the boom head stand. So that is how we set up the boom stand with the microphone, and it's amazing, guys, right? So I'm excited. I can't wait to use it for a future video. But you guys got to see how we put it up, how to set it up, how to use it with your setup. Everybody's setup is different, and mine isn't going to stay like this because I did just order a tripod. But this is what I'm working with right now. I just showed you like how, you know, it would be placed in the video. So you guys get to see that and get to see the audio of it on the tripod, the boom stand, and you get to see and hear an audio of it on the camera itself. So you get to compare the two different audios, get to see how you like it, see if it works for you, if there even is a difference. And by the way, it does have the 10 dB and 20 plus 20 dB. I'm sorry. It has a minus 10 dB and the plus 20 dB. I apologize. And it does carry, it says over 70 hours battery life, on camera shotgun microphone, 10-year warranty, and it does have 9-volt battery. Thank you guys for the support. We did it. We made over 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. And now I can finally post in my community. So if you guys want to check out my post, go there. In the future, from here on out, I will be posting like the thumbnails and previews of what's going to come from my new video. So check that out. I don't have a schedule of what my days are going to be for my uploads yet, because like I said, I am still finishing setting this up. I'm not going to have a permanent setup because I am here, but I will be having a set schedule once my tripod comes in and I have my, you know, I figure out how I'm going to exactly have this set up. I know this is my background, but I got to know if I'm going to have my soft boxes, because right now I just have my ring light and a little light to focus off the back right now. You'll see that some other time. If you guys want to see a video of how I set up for my YouTube videos, just leave a comment in this, just leave a comment down below. Sorry guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see that video, because I'll definitely make it. But like I said, this is not my permanent setup. This is just what to do in a small space, because you can make it work as long as you get the equipment. You can make it work anywhere, you guys, I promise. Especially if you really want to do this. Thanks for tuning in. Again, hit the subscribe button below, click the bell right next to it for more post notifications from me. That should let you know when I post new videos, so you never ever miss a video from moi. Don't forget to check out my community tab in my profile. Alright, y'all stay safe out there with this. Stay at home. Stay at home. Do not go out. Everybody's taking this as a joke, and now everybody's walking around with masks and gloves. This isn't a joke, you guys. Stay home. Watch YouTube. There's plenty of videos to go around. I watch YouTube all day, every day. Trust and believe. Y'all have a safe night. See you guys on the next one. Bye.